How do computers work? So, software controls the hardware. Let's say, for example, to display the word hello on your screen. But how do you tell the hardware what to do? So think of the software as the brain of your body and the hardware as your body. So basically the software tells the hardware what to do by using a programming language. But that's not always the case. If you have a breadboard and some wires and LEDs, that's just fully with hardware and electricity. You don't need software for that. But when it comes to advanced stuff, you could do it in hardware, but that'd take a lot of work. Software makes it much more easier. But back here. You must use a programming language, like I said earlier. Computers only understand binary code. Look at this. Come on, right? How are you supposed to memorize all these ones and zeros? And humans, it's very complicated. I'm not going to say it's impossible, but it's really hard. And humans only understand English. And if you use this to a computer, it doesn't understand it at all. So basically, a programming language compromises both of them. First let's look at some examples. There are thousands of programming languages out there, but here's some famous and powerful ones. Python. Python is a text-based programming language, which is really good if it's very good for you if you want to do some more advanced stuff and you already have some prior coding knowledge. Scratch. Scratch is the best thing in my opinion for beginners. It's block-based and you can never go wrong in syntax. But don't let this fool you. You might think, oh, this is all it can do? No, you can do a really advanced stuff with Scratch, like this. Look at that. Okay, now Microsoft MakeCode, made by Microsoft. I accidentally put an L there. That's weird. But here again, Microsoft MakeCode is block-based, but it's mostly meant for programming hardware or other robots. But you can use it for there's one thing you can use it for, which is it's Minecraft Education Edition, but I'll show you that in another video. But most of the time it's for hardware. We'll show you some of that too. Java and JavaScript. They're really powerful, and they can do a whole ton of stuff. And they have a lot of built-in modules. Python has them, but Java and JavaScript have way more. HTML and CSS. HTML is basically literally just for building websites. Most of the time people don't really write with HTML, but it's really fun anyway. And CSS is the style sheet, so basically adds the colors, the backgrounds, the fonts for the HTML. C and C++, very, very advanced languages. They're very, very powerful, so the C and C++ probably built some of these even. In the next video, we're going to be looking at syntax and variables.